I did draw my eyebrows too dark today. We're gonna keep it because some people might like dark eyebrows. Hey guys, it's Veronica, and today I'm going to be doing a chit chat get ready with me video, which I'm super excited about because it's been a while since I've done one of these. Let's talk about my ears today. Move over, cat ears, because these are what is in right now. My amazing friend Brianna got these for me from the Philippines, and I absolutely love them. They're super adorable. Also, at the end of this video, I'm going to be talking about my new haircut, which you can't really see right now because my hair is pinned back, but I got bangs, so I'll talk a little bit more about that later in the video, but let's jump right in. So I already moisturized my face, and now I'm just going to be going in with the Professional Pore Primer, and I'm going to be priming my face. This is my absolute favorite primer still, and I've been using it for so long now. I highly recommend it, especially if you have oily skin. This is really great for making sure that your oil stays matte, or your face stays matte the entire day. Once I've primed, I'm going to be going in with my Revlon Color Stay Foundation, and just in case you're wondering, this is in the shade 180 Sand Beige. So I usually like to apply it directly to my face, but today I'm going to try a different technique. I'm going to apply it to my hand, and then I'm going to take the Beauty Blender, and then I'm going to apply it to my face and see how that works out. Okay. Well, no, it's not bad. It's not bad. It's just, I'm not used to it. Okay, so let's get started with talking because I have a lot to say today. Thank you to everyone who watched my Beijing vlog. That means a lot to me, and that vlog was so much fun to film, and it was so much fun to go to China, and I'm so happy that I got to go, and it was just amazing, and people in China are so sweet. Even though I don't really speak Chinese except 5 words, and yet people were still trying to help me and trying to figure out how to help me get to the destination that I'm looking for. And everyone who was super sweet and welcoming in general makes me so happy, so thank you for that. So whenever I do chit chat get ready with me videos, I feel like I literally take forever to apply my makeup, so I'm really sorry about that. I'm gonna try to speed it up today, but it's hard to multitask. Like, it's not possible. So I'm gonna try my best to do my makeup and talk and get done in less than 2 hours. More about the Beijing vlog. I actually have a part 2 Beijing vlog coming out soon. I just didn't really get a chance to edit it yet because of school, so please bear with me. But there's also 3 other vlogs besides the part 2 coming out. There's going to be a Xi'an vlog, there's going to be a Guilin vlog, and there's going to be a Shanghai vlog. So look out for those. I'll definitely keep you guys updated on my Instagram. So if you don't follow me, the link is in the description bar below. Let's talk about beauty and makeup. I decided to treat myself. I decided to buy the James Charles palette, so I am waiting for it to come in. I'm actually a pretty big fan of James Charles. I think he's really awesome. His looks are amazing. His channel's amazing. When I heard he was coming out with a palette, I'm always skeptical when people come out with palettes because I don't want to get a palette that I'm not going to use, you know what I mean? When I heard James was coming out with a palette, I researched it, I looked at the shades, and I was actually searching for a really good rainbow palette, and when I saw that it was basically a rainbow palette with neutral shades and black and white shades, girl, I was like, sister, thank you, yes, like I need this, sister slay my life. That was really dramatic, but I was like, I need this palette right now. I was actually gonna say right meow, but then I realized I don't have cat ears on today, but that would have been so good. Also, can we talk about how slow I am at doing makeup and getting ready? Oh my goodness. So once the James Charles palette comes in, I'm going to be love that. It's a good thing this is not the first time this has happened. So we're also going to be using a technique called veiling, where you take a brush that you usually use for powder and you go over the contour to make it less harsh. This part of my cheek, for some reason, it may look patchy. That's not the makeup, it's just my cheek. I don't know why, but this cheek is slightly patchy. I don't know why, man. I don't know why, but whatever, bruh, whatever. Sitting down, filming a video, and talking with you guys, and just doing makeup. This is what I live for. Also, other videos like DIY, cooking videos, which I have one cooking video, but I plan to upload more of those too. And I know I keep saying like I plan to upload more, but then I don't actually do that. On the bright side, I'm filming now, so if you guys hear that, that's just the earrings slamming into the brush. These earrings are so big. So for blush, I'm gonna be using this Ulta palette that looks a little bit crusty, but you know, do not judge me, okay? This is beauty on a budget, okay? We are doing beauty on a budget. This palette is, you know, a little bit crusty, a little bit messy, but it's still a good palette. And I really like this blush color, actually. Ignore this patchy cheek, it's not cooperating. So tell me, what music have you guys been liking lately? Because I love hearing about new music and I love discovering new music. So please let me know, comment down below what music you've been into. This whole entire week I've been really into old school rock. The week before that I was really into rap. So I'm always like changing it's based on my mood and what I'm going through, you know. I've been really relating to rock. I've been really relating to rock recently. I'm just gonna leave my nose the way it is for now, and I'm gonna go into eyeshadow. No, I'm gonna go into eyebrows first. Eyebrows first. It snowed where I live and it was horrible. It was fine, it was normal, it was light snow, and then suddenly it just went completely crazy. And I just want everybody to know that if it's snowing, do not go outside. It's not worth the risk. You can get seriously hurt. So I really wanna just talk about that so that you guys don't do it. I kind of wanna do this as a warning. That's the main reason I'm talking about it, because if I can convince someone to not go out in the snow, then it's worth talking about. So I want to start by acknowledging that yes, I did draw my eyebrows too dark today. We're gonna keep it because some people might like dark eyebrows, and so this is for you guys who like dark eyebrows. We're gonna keep it because this isn't wrong, you know. Makeup can't be wrong, you know, so we're keeping it. I was gonna wipe it off, but we're keeping it today. So I'm going to be doing a cut crease today using my Morphe 350 palette. I'm really glad that James decided to partner with Morphe out of all the companies he could have partnered with, because I really do trust Morphe and I know that they have really good shades and pigments and everything. So I'm going to start out by going in light, and then I'm going to keep going a little bit darker as I go on. Oh my gosh, guys, I recently baked vegan sugar cookies and I'm gonna share them with you guys. And I think I'm gonna be doing vegan sugar cookies for my next cooking with Chef Veronica because they were so good. But let me know if you guys have any specific videos that you want to see. Cooking videos, more DIY videos, more fashion videos. Like, let me know because I like to hear feedback from you guys so that I know what you want to see. I decided that I'm gonna make this look very dramatic because most of my makeup looks on this channel so far have been pretty everyday, kind of, you know, everyday looks. I mean, well, not all of them, but lots of them. This one, I want to make this one really glam. That's why I'm gonna go in and I'm gonna be very generous with this shade. And you might be wondering, oh, are you going somewhere? No, I'll be doing homework after this. So I thought I was filming, but apparently I wasn't. So what I just said is that I'm gonna go in with this black from the e.l.f. palette that I have because the Morphe palette doesn't have a black, and I want to intensify this look. So now that I've done my outer shadow, I'm going to cut my crease, but I'm going to do it off camera with this brush right here because it takes me a while to do it. And also, this is a trajectory thing, not exactly a tutorial, but if you guys want a tutorial on a cut crease, be sure to comment below and I will make sure to do that for you guys. Now that I've cut my crease, I'm going to go back into the Morphe palette and I'm going to add some cool shades and make this look even more dramatic. I said cool shades, but I meant like, I didn't mean like blues and greens. I meant like cool as in like hip. Like rad, not cool in the sense that they're like, I hope you get what I mean because now I'm just blabbering. For my bottom eyeshadow, I'm just going to be taking a copper reddish tone. This is a cute, I think, fall, winter sort of look. Also, I'll be the first to admit cut creases are not my specialty, but I love playing around with them. I really want to improve my cut crease, so I'm gonna keep doing it until I improve because practice makes perfect. This one's definitely bigger. We're gonna fix that. Give me 1 second. Okay, so I tried my best to fix it. It's a little more even. It's not perfect, but you know what? I'm trying to learn and improve my skills, so like my content, even though it's not the most amazing, but I really want to be a better cut creaser, you know. I really want to do better cut creases, so I'm gonna keep doing them. And if you guys wanna give me some tips, that would be great. But if anyone's gonna comment and be like, girl, that's not a cut crease, girl, I know though, but like, I'm trying my best, you know. Don't even go there. Now that I've made a mess under my under eyes, I'm going to just bake lightly to get rid of any under eye fallout, which I should have baked earlier, but you know what Okay, so now I'm going to be taking the Kat Von D tattoo liner and I'm going to be creating a winged eye look today. I should probably do this off camera too, but I don't want you guys to think I'm like making someone else do my makeup for me. And this is just a scam. This is not a true beauty channel. I'm just like going off camera really quick. Someone does my makeup for me and then, you know, we call it mine. I don't know if you can even see what I'm doing, but I can barely see what I'm doing. And that's an issue. I just wanted to show you guys that I do indeed know how to do winged eyeliner. Now I'm gonna do the other one off camera because that was a lot of work. So let's make this easier and I'll see you guys in like a second. Okay, so I've done my winged liner and now I'm going to be doing my lashes, and I'm going to be using the Sephora Quill lashes. This one fell, but you get the point. These are the Sephora Quill lashes and I'm gonna be putting those on right now. So now that I've applied the lashes, I'm going to be blending them out using this Maybelline Rocket Volume Express mascara. Blend our lashes together so that they look nice and real, or as real as they can look considering they're fake. And I'm going to be wiping away all the powder that I used to bake. Now I'm going to add a little bit of mascara on my bottom lashes. And now I'm going to be trying out this new lip gloss or lipstick that I got. This is from the NYX Lingerie lipstick line, and this is the shade 02 Embellishment. So I absolutely love this lip color, and to finish this look off, I'm going to be going back in with my crusty little Ulta Beauty palette, and I'm going to be taking the highlighter. It looks crusty, but it works, guys, so that's what matters. So that is the finished look. I didn't really come into this video with a plan, but I really love the way this turned out, and it's very dramatic, very glam, very different from my other videos, so I hope you enjoyed it. And now I'm going to go and style my new haircut and show you guys how it looks. This is my brand new haircut and I am obsessed with it. I know it's super different than my old hair, but I decided to embrace my natural curls because honestly I used to hate my curls so much, and I actually made a video on how I restored my curls, so I'll link that in the description bar below. But I used to straighten my hair all the time, and recently I've just been really embracing my curls and just loving them, so I decided to get a curly cut, and this is how it turned out. This is my natural hair with a little bit of product in it. And actually, to be honest with you guys, I'm kind of having a bad hair day today, so I definitely will show you guys when I'm having a good hair day. If you guys want, I can show you guys how I style it. Be sure to give this video a thumbs up. Also, if you're not subscribed already, be sure to subscribe, and if you are subscribed, thank you so much. We're almost at 200. We can do this. I believe in you guys. Also, if you want to get notified every single time I post a new video, be sure to hit the notification bell so that you can get notified. I hope you guys have an amazing day, and I will see you guys in my next video.